Hi and welcome to our lesson on clockwise and anti-clockwise turns. We'll begin by looking at quarter, half, three-quarter and full turns. The car will turn in this direction. This is a quarter turn, half turn, three-quarter turn and full turn. We'll look at using these turns in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Here we have an analog clock. The direction that the hands turn around the clock is called clockwise. The opposite direction is called anti-clockwise. This can also be called counterclockwise. This car will move a quarter turn clockwise. The car will turn in this direction. This is the same direction as the hands of a clock. This is a 1/4 turn clockwise. This time, the car will take a quarter turn anti-clockwise. So the car will turn in this direction. This is the opposite direction to the hands of a clock. The car takes a quarter turn in this direction. This time, the car will take a half turn clockwise, so in this direction. Now it will take a half turn anti-clockwise, so it will turn in this direction. You may have noticed that both a half turn clockwise and a half turn anti-clockwise result in the car facing in the opposite direction to where it started. This also means that when doing a half turn, it doesn't make a difference if we move clockwise or anti-clockwise. The car will still end up in the same position. Next, the car will take a three-quarter turn clockwise. So the car will turn through 3/4 in this direction. Now it will take a 3/4 turn anti-clockwise. So this time it will turn in this direction. Finally, we will look at full turns. First, the car will make a full turn clockwise. This means that the car will turn in this direction. So this is a full turn in a clockwise direction, and the car ends up back in its starting position. This time, the car will make a full turn anti-clockwise, so in the opposite direction. Again, the car ends up back in its starting position. As we can see, with full turns, it doesn't matter whether the turn is clockwise or anti-clockwise. The result is the same. The car will end up in the same starting position. Here are some questions for you to try. Show which direction the car would be facing if it made the following turns. An accompanying activity sheet is available to download and print for these questions. Pause the video now and have a go. Question 1. A quarter turn clockwise. Question 2. A quarter turn anti-clockwise. Question 3. A half turn clockwise. Question 4. A three-quarter turn anti-clockwise. Thank you for watching. For further practice, more questions are available on our website.